Alright, hello and welcome to another video on building a portfolio with Nuxt 3. Okay, so right now, what I'm gonna do is just to remove the background of certain image. So something that I did yesterday, a remove background image AI with GitHub. That's right. You got it. Okay, cool. So let's going to look at the topic here, background removal. So I find this. So I also have this tool. So this has 10,000. This has 4.6K stars. Background remover lets you remove background from image and video using AI with simple command line interface that is free and open source. Okay. Okay. That's right. So what is the model that it's using? Go to PyTorch and scroll down install PyTorch section and follow the instruction. It's a command line tool to remove background from image and video using AI made by Nardem. Okay, to power background removal AI. Background removal. I think this is the website. Okay. So Jonathan Nather. This is one of my personal sites. It is an experimental as well as useful in no regard. Okay. Okay. And this is the YouTube. What the hell is this? Okay, background remover, Caros.com. Vehicles for sale. Old trusty one. The old trusty one. Anyway, okay. But it doesn't tell me besides that it used PyTorch for that. That's interesting, by the way. Use a CLI, image, background remover, in video. Okay, we have this first option. Okay, and then I look at the REM BG. It says REM BG is a tool to remove image background. Okay, if this project has helped you, please consider making a donation. What is the underlying technology that I use? Okay, buy me a coffee. Okay. Interest is like, okay. Go to Onyx runtime and check the installation matrix. Optimize and accelerate machine learning inference and training. Okay, interesting. By the way, totally interesting. Optimize inferring and optimize training and hardware acceleration. Organization product using Onyx. But what is this product? So optimize and accelerate machine learning inference and training. Speed up machine learning process, plug in your existing technology stack, build using proven technologies. So inference and training. You pass is a tensor here. Okay. Let me see if I understand from here. It's like optimize and accelerate machine learning inferencing and training. Speed up machine learning process. Okay. Speed up machine learning process. Exactly. Process. Okay. First of all, you need to check if your system supports the Onyx runtime GPU. Okay. And the runtime GPU. And check the installation matrix. Okay. The installation matrix, Linux. So Windows. Okay, number. Okay, in Python, they provide this hardware acceleration, installation instructions, x64 architectures, uh, default CPU, pip install Onyx runtime. If you're going to go with Linux, do the same. Default CPU. Okay. CUDA. 1DDN. Alright, or CUDA. Pip install GPU. Reference docs for requirement. Please reference table below for official GPU package dependency of the. So note that Onyx runtime's training is aligned with PTorch CUDA version. Refers to training. So CUDA. CUDA. It said please reference NVIDIA CUDA minor versions compatibility. Question. How do I check my Jesus? How do I check my GPU version? What the hell? How do I check my GPU version? It's like, Okay. So let me look at the G4 experience here. I have a long time. Yeah, I haven't opened up in a long time. I haven't opened up in a long time. Okay, I am downloading I am updating the NVIDIA GeForce experience. Okay. That's right. But this is NVIDIA GeForce experience. But what? This is for training, right? NVIDIA. I think this is for training. Yeah, this is for training and inferring. Nope. Oh, okay. Okay, so if you want to keep track of this is fucking okay, so if they want to keep track of that, it's like, oh, right, okay. Jesus. The CUDA execution provider enabled hardware acceleration computation on NVIDIA CUDA enabled GPU. NVIDIA CUDA enabled GPU. How do I check this? How to check Okay, how do I know if my GPU is CUDA enabled? Okay, from Hamad. Don't get me wrong, man, but I will go for source, right? Like this. Developer NVIDIA. Okay. Your GPU compute capability. So you're looking for the compute capability for your GPU, then check the tables below. You can learn more about the compute capabilities. Developer NVIDIA could enable data centers. Could enable what the hell? Download the CUDA kit toolkit. Okay, but okay, is this? Alright. CUDA enable GeForce and Titan products. That's right. Okay. But of course. Okay. GeForce, in my case, this is GeForce GTX. I'm not sure what it is. Compute capability. I think it's this. Okay. Let me look at my own video card. Video card driver. Jesus. No, man, no. Administrador de dispositivos, alright. There you got it. Where it is. There you got it. That's right. Okay, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. 1650. No? Okay. It's like 1650, but it's not with a T. You know what it means? Like, it's not with a T. Yeah. And there's a subtle difference between this versus, okay. Yeah, but it seems like they're not compatible. You know what I mean? It's like they're not compatible. For mid-range gaming. Okay, that's great. But in my case, it's like I don't think I'm able to do this because they're different. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter. So I can. And no problem. Without CUDA. Okay. But the default CPU. So I'm going to install this in Windows. Yeah. Let me install that in Windows. So I need to install is the ONX runtime. Installation instruction here. Pip install on only that's all. Okay. If yes, just run. Okay. So go to the ONX method and check the installation matrix for CUDA. GPU support. CPU. Okay. Oh my god. I get it. Yeah, it will have to be with. Oh my god. Jesus. Pre-built binaries on X runtime with good IP are published for most language binaries. Please refer install ORT. Install on X runtime. See installation matrix for recommended instructions for desired combination to get target operating system hardware accelerator and language. For targeting operating OS hardware accelerator in language. Large model training. Okay, but the question is that this is for the installation. For a requirement, you need this Python here. Okay. All right. Passing extra parameter, remove the background, apply an alpha mating. Remove the background, returning only the mask. Remove the background, specifying a model. Specifying a model. Okay. Remove the background from a local file. Remove the background from a remote image. In my case, it's from local. Local, using is this, and specifying is the model. Which model we can use, right? Models. Okay. All models are downloaded and saved in the user home folder in the .u2net directory. The available models are U2net, U2net-P, a trained model for general use case, a lightweight version of the U2 model, a pre-trained model for human segmentation, a pre-trained model for clock parsing from human portraits. Here, clothes are parsing in three categories: upper body, lower body, and full body. Silhouette, same as U2net, but the size is reduced to 43 megabytes. A new pre-trained model for general use case. A high accuracy segmentation for anime character. And a pre-trained model for any use case. Holy moly. Interesting. Holy fudge. This is the paper. U2net, going deeper with Nest U structure for sailing object detection. For sailing object detection. Model size, Jesus. Model size and hours. A lot of people from Canada, okay. In this paper, we design a simple yet powerful deep network architecture, U2net, for sailing object detection. Oh my God, for sailing object detection. Where they have this image where they spread that out into multiple chunks and they feed that through all of this convolutional networks, BN, ReLU, which is another architecture, uh, and ReLU. Okay. Proposed method, residual U blocks, weight layer, U block, ReLU. Suppose, convert, legend. Okay. This is a lot of layer. Okay. Using also convolutional, exactly. So convolutional neural network with a ReLU, and you got the sound down sample, up sample, and apply the sigmoid. Okay. Experimental results, data sets, evaluation metrics. Okay. Alright. Do them around. HQ is Pascal, Sod. Okay. In each iteration, they will generate that. Interesting. Holy hell. They're actually pretty good, by the way. Damn, son. They're actually pretty good. Damn. Okay, holy hell. Holy hell. Okay. So this is our models. Oh my god. These are models for sailing objects. So going deeper with NES, use structure for sailing object detection. For sailing object detection. Holy hell. Holy hell. Completely. Interesting. Okay, so alright. So going back, you use as Docker. Just replace the rem command for Docker run Daniel Gattis remb. Try this. I prefer to use a Docker, which is one of the great things of Docker is that it allows, of course. So the great thing of Docker is that allow you to run any application. So it allow you to run an application anywhere. The only thing that you need to have is Docker. Period. Period. So that's great because it provides a lot of advantage of this. So let me open up Docker here. So I don't need to install dependency. So now going deeper into the nested tree structure, as well as all of the version they have. No, I don't need any of that. I just need to install Docker, pull the image from any Docker registry, and run it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let me use Docker for that. Yep. Let me use Docker for that. I don't think you will run that. You're taking too long and come on. Come on, man. Holy hell. Okay. Okay. Who uses that amount of? Oh, okay, I get it. I totally get it. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So here we are. Jesus, finally. All right. Now that this is running, I just want us to. Okay. Now let me remove this. I don't think you're actually looking where I'm looking right now because it's Docker. Oh my God. Not at all. No, Docker. So do this. Docker. What is Docker? What is Docker? There you go. This is Docker. Okay. Okie dokie. So my question is like, let me now move on to the. Let me open up a terminal here. That's right. What the hell? Does it matter? Okay. So let me open up this thing here. For some reason it doesn't open up. No problem. Yeah. So let me open. Okay, here we go again. PowerShell, please. Opening a PowerShell. That's right. Okay. Let me see if you can see it right now. This. No, where it is. Task manager. For some reason. No. What the hell? Snipping. Why is that? Okay, interesting. You cannot display things like this. Anyway, well, in any case, so right now what I'm doing is, Jesus, why I can't show this window terminal? What the hell? Why you show this? Okay, you show this like this. So what about if I run a command here? Can you see this? No? Oh, okay, no problem. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Well, So now I'm going to install Docker here using the Docker option like this. So just replace the mb command for Docker run here. But what if I want to install that as Docker? Usage as library, input and output as byte. But what if I want to install that as Docker? Uses as CLI. Well, it seems that I need to install Python. So let's go to install Python here. Alright. If I recall that grade, there was something called my Python environment Jesus manager. Python environment manager, something called like Cobra, Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda or Conda, exactly. Here with Conda. So Conda is a powerful package manager and environment manager that used with command line commands and as the Anaconda program for Windows. You know what? What if I want to use instead of Conda is Jupyter notebooks? So let me take a look at the video here because I want this to use Jupyter notebook instead of installing Conda.
Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be covering a library that I'm particularly excited about. It seems like it only has commercial applications, but it actually has a lot of applications for the digital humanities, specifically if you work in archives. And this library is RunBG, and what it allows for you to do is something magical. And let's just take a look real quickly in this little Streamlit application I've built for us. It allows for you to essentially extract the main subject of any photograph.
Okay, or extract the main subject.
If you work in maybe the sciences, it can be useful for finding and extracting the potential there of other applications. Let's say we wanted to look at it just quite off the shoots now.
So great.
Down what it says it's going. Usually you have to fine tune them to do what you want to do, but the medieval manuscripts is pretty powerful and quite amazing. So how does it work? Well, RunBG is built on a type of machine learning model called a UNet. A good thing about UNet is it's a model that takes an input image and it has to determine if that every pixel in that input image is relevant or irrelevant. So a 0 or a 1. And if it's relevant, if it's a 1, that pixel is saved. If it's a 0, then it moves to the alpha channel and it becomes transparent.
And then it moves to the alpha channel and it becomes transparent. Okay. The TLDR for you.
This kind of data. Everything else is an alpha channel, and only the pixels that are activated are actually extracted. We can see that that's actually happening by seeing these little fuzzy borders because it doesn't know exactly what to do with them. And that's not the model's fault. This is something it wasn't really meant to do. And likewise, if we look at the cheetah, we can see that we have a little bit of the material here underneath the cheetah, but overall, I would consider this a huge success and be quite happy with this. It's extracted the actual subject of the photograph. Go ahead and you can do this in RunBG. You can use it as on server from a Docker image if you want. There's a lot of different things.
Use this as Docker. But
a server from a Docker image if you want. There's a lot of different things that come built in. I have found, in my experience, that using the bytes version, which we'll see right here, is actually the easiest way to implement it. So I've got everything kind of saved up for us already so that we can kind of take a look at what's happening.
Yeah, I just want to look at there what's happening. Because you already installed is Jupyter Notebook, right? Yeah, you already installed Jupyter Notebook.
So all we're going to need
is like Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Project Jupyter. So if I install this, okay, After all, you need to install is Python for that. Python Jupyter tools are available for installation via Python package index, the leading repository of software created by Python programming language. This page uses instruction with pip, the recommendation installation tool for Python. Exactly. If you require environment management as opposed to just installation, look into Conda, Mamba, and pipm. So, if I want to use Conda, which is a environment manager, okay, Conda, only Conda, Python, the package they depend on, and a small number of other useful packages. Okay, see also Anaconda, a downloadable free open source high performance and optimized Python and error distribution. Anaconda includes Conda, Conda build, Python 250 automatically install open source scientific package under dependency that have been tested to work well together, including yeah, but this is or mini Conda. And then you can download Miniconda here, which will have is Python for that. Alright. Yeah, just me, please. Miniconda. That's right. Add Miniconda 3 to my path environment. Not recommended. Instead, open Miniconda 3 with the Windows Start menu and select Anaconda 32-bit. Okay. Gets found previously installed software but may cause problems requiring to you install and reinstall Anaconda. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9. This will allow other programs such as Python tool for Visual Studio PyCharms, WinID to automatically detect Anaconda as the primary Python 3.9 on the system. Wait, what the hell? But this is 32 bits. Oh my god, no. No, it's 64. Jesus, it's 64. Let me uninstall that. That's right. And then open up here. It's 64. Okay, that's right. That's right. Exactly. Create startup menu startup support package only. And register maker a Minicon, that's my default 3.10. And there you got it. Okay. So Anaconda will be the package manager and Python environment. So package and environment manager. Okay. Okay, let's get ready. Okay. So getting started with Conda. That's right, Conda project. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, doesn't matter. Alright. Installation succeeds, that's right. So I can now look at Anaconda here, my local machine, and there you get it. Anaconda from Anaconda. Okay, so this already have Python. So if I check here with Python, what the hell? Oh, okay. But this is Anaconda Prom. Okay, so okay, all right. So it okay. It already load the entire Python library here, and in fact, now that I install Python here, okay, I just need to install the pip but for my CPU because it won't work with the CUDA. I mean, I can try it. But it definitely won't work. Well, I am assuming that it won't work. So it's going to put a test, right? It's going to put that a test. And here using a Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. But that's not as performant as. So I'm looking more for performance. So I prefer to interact with the CLI. Period. Yep. I just want to interact with the CLI. So let me install CUDA here. Meaning is if I go to the okay, I love it. The background removal here with this tool. Okay, so we can install the runtime, right? Pip installation on GPU. So let me now look at the Anaconda here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if you can see that. I don't know why it doesn't load that. But again, what I'm doing here in this black screen is just downloading is the necessary package from Onyx runtime. Okay. So what if I do this? Now are you able to load that? What about this? What about this? Nope, not at all. Okay, well, in any case, I already installed that. Even though that you cannot see that. And then, so once I install that, I would like to know is this, right? So once I install the Onyx runtime GPU, okay, then it is time to install this. Okay, so that's right. So now I'm installing is something you can't see, but now I'm installing is the RAM background GPU. Okay, so it's fetching is a lot of dependency To do that, mm-hmm. And what happened? So that's right. And let me now make some use of this. So I'm going to use this the for local image, and also specifies the model. I wanted to specify the model here. Okay. Okay, so after the in this case Conda Anaconda download all the package is now installing. Watchdog TC, WebSockets, file log, Python utils, JSON schema, Jinga, image.io, and that's all. Okay, cool. Cool. That was fast, by the way. So I just want is to just want okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I have to do right now is to look at those image from my device, just this, in let me see, where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where? Mm, I love it. It doesn't show me that. What about if I change the order? Okay, that's right. I get it. Cool. Lovely. Lovely. Very, very lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this image. Now I'm gonna copy this image here, and then I move to my own to my PC, right? And navigate to users here and paste that over there. So meaning is here. Okay. So let me show is this couple image here. So I'm going to open up a new browser tabs and show this image that I have here. Yes, so this is all of this image that I have. Image that I took of myself. Okay, that's lovely. Yeah, I really love the light here. Yeah, I really love the light here. Really love the light here. Okay. Yep. Yeah, completely. So I'm gonna use this image here. Okay. Uh, and as you can see, it contains some background. So I'm going to run is this command from the readme and pass the proper model. And in this case, it's using is unet here. Okay, and that'll be all, right? I don't know how long it will take. In fact, I don't know what's going on because it doesn't tell me anything. Okay. All right, but it's using my GPU. How do I know that? Well, because actually I'm measuring that from the task manager, but you can see that anywhere. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. So, still using that. Is putting that on my on the disk. Okay. Okay. Error. Missing argument output. Hmm. And the output. Okay. And the path of that output. Okay. Okay. And I need to pass. Okay, the input and the output. That's right. That makes sense. And the output is hero image. No background. Dot g gpg. Okay. Okay, it's unloading that, and that is done. That was actually pretty fast. By the way, completely, completely. It's a process that is consuming a lot of GPU, and I don't know which one it is. And I don't know which one it is. Anyway, uh, so now if I look at the output that it generates here, on the where it is here, and the output here that it generates, that actually was pretty good, man. Holy shit, that actually was pretty good, man. That actually was pretty good, man. Well, I will need that output to be I'll need that output to be as PNG. You know what I mean? I'll need that output to be a PNG. Alright, so when I look now at the the PNG version. Interesting. Now let me test. So I'm gonna share here is the different outputs here, like the photos. You can see even photos. What the hell is going on with this? It's like, why? You can even see photos. Oh, for fuck's sake. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna share. First, I'm going to test some other models here. Okay, some other models. Meaning is models like isnet anime. Okay, so let me use this another model. You got it. Okay. With exactly now he's downloading is the model. Holy hell, the model weighs 176 megabytes. And so when I look now at the output, okay, that was not accurate. That was definitely not accurate. Yeah, that was definitely not accurate. And the other model is Silueta. Is net anime a high accuracy segmentation for anime character? Send a pre-trained model for any use. Okay. So let me now use SAM. Input label is required with SAM. Ah, okay. Silueta. You got this Silueta. What about Silueta? Which is another model. Okay, so if I look at this, that was great. That was very, very great, by the way. In fact, much better with previous models. Yeah, in fact, much better with previous model. Okay, okay. But with that, that'll be all for this video. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.